Good afternoon everyone, my name is Clark Justin Perez Valencia. My course is Bachelor Science Marine Transportation 2A16. Why did I choose to take the maritime course? Bakit ako nagplano maging marinero? To provide financial of my family and to travel around the world. How can you show respect to others in this class? Give 3 examples. First is to honesty, second is loyalty, third is discipline. Complete the sentence. In 5 years, I will be not only be a seaman, I will be a skilled, responsible, and contributing member of the maritime community. I will help navigate the challenge of training embrace the demands of life at sea, and found fulfillment in the adventure and purpose the career offer. The journey will be arduous, but the destination, a life at sea, is one of eagerly anticipate. What legacy would I choose to be remembered? Anong pamana ang gusto kong iwan sa mundo? Ang pamanang gusto kong iwan sa mundo ay hindi ito tungkol sa material na bagay o kayamanan o pansariling tagumpay, kundi isang bagay na mas malalim at mas makahulugan. Kung pumili ang nais kong iwan ay isang pamanang pag-asa, pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan at pagbabago upang ating bansa ay at umunlad. Thank you for watching. Peace.